Welcome to the final round. Couple, ang inyong piliyon, mo kayo makapili, okay? So the ones that we choosing will be staying. One of the winners, okay, for our final round. DJ Curve, we're ready. Girls and boys, music please! Kapal, I need to ask you, enough na ba ito maka-decide mo? Hindi pa kayo ano ba? Wait, ang saga. Tumagas, okay na to or do you want a bonus round? Kinalima na rin mo na ito. Isa lang yung mga nilingan mo masayaw. Okay. Guys, pasensya na. Pero, of course, the judges wanted one bonus round just to decide this. Nag-hipogit sila. Puro mga tayo. DJ, okay ha? Bonus round, bonus round. Okay. Bonus round starts now. Guys, a big round of applause to our participants. To tell you honestly, sa kadaghan na mong ipag-iipan ni Sad, daghang kasali. Kanina din nag-grupo ang grabe yung sayaw. Wow! Tungan, bakit mo lang nag-practice? Nag-practice. Okay, but couple, you need to do your decision. Again, yung names came on would be the ones staying. It would be our celebrity couple, Carabeo.
So, lucky is Jules.
Jules! Yeah, pwede na you think of my phone? Jules? Ayan. Ayan. Jules, you are our winner. Congratulations.